What's going on, guys? Puck here with another moto vlog. And I'm back in Fort Worth, obviously, on my way to work. I was watching one of Christopher's videos. He's got a channel called Get Life. It's a ruckus channel. I know I'm not on my ruckus, but it's a little mini moto anyway. And I'm just gonna do one of his videos that he did. It's called 5 random videos, or 5 buildings on the way to work. So yeah, I am going to pick 5 buildings on my way to work. Yeah, I was talking to him earlier today, and he was saying that, oh crap, blah 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 blah, my mind just went blank. Yeah, he loves doing the random little videos like that, and I kind of called myself out on it, and at the end of the video I'm gonna call someone else out, just one person, to do the same. So yeah. Okay, building number 1. That building right there. Ollie's. Good stuff, cheap. I've never been in there. That's new. I think it used to be actually a hardware store. So yeah, that is building number 1. Ollie's. Also, my moto vlogs are going to be a bit longer because I approximately have like a 20-25 minute ride to work, which I'm not going to make you sit through and watch 25 minutes. Well, let me know in the comments below if you want a 25-minute long moto vlog of me just rambling my ass off of random things I see. Alright, building number 2 is that building way the hell down over there. I've lived here like 4 years. I still don't know what that building is. I'm saying the building right now because I don't think I'll see the building again. Maybe. I know I won't get close to it, but oh yeah, there it is again. But yeah, that building right there, the tall one in the background there. So yeah, building number 2. I know you're going to hear me say this in my moto vlogs for like the next week or so, but I actually do miss Fort Worth. I miss being back. The traffic's like kind of predictable. Barely anybody, like there's still your people on your cell phones, but not anywhere close to what it is like in Houston. Like seriously, like every single car, someone's on their cell phone. Like it's bad on their cell phone. The one thing that I'm gonna miss about spring, living in spring rather than here at Fort Worth, is when I'm riding my ruckus. Everything's hilly here. Like I don't know if the GoPro shows you, but this is like hilly right here. And everything in spring is like flat. And like getting my top speed runs, like on my ruckus, like I can do it there, like no problem. Here it's a bit of an effort because it's up and down, up and down. Alright, building number 3. Coffee. This coffee shop right here. Because why not? Who doesn't like coffee? Coffee is amazing. Especially when you're at work. Like coffee in the front, work in the back. Yeah, that was building number 3. That coffee shop. building number 4 is this big. Building number 4. Because it looks cool. It looks like an old theater. Okay, I gotta find a new app. Hey, I can get that app that Ceasar from Small Engine Velocity has. But yeah, anyway, I might as well call this person out right now. I am calling out Ceasar from Small Engine Velocity to do this little 5 building challenge that Get Life started. Christopher, please let me know if I butchered your last name. Hladkey, maybe? But yeah, he actually knows his stuff. He's on the Honda Ruckus Facebook page. Like he comments a lot and helps a lot of people out with a lot of questions that they have about their Ruckus and things that are going on. His knowledge is pretty expansive. Building number 5. What building should I have? Building number 5. I'm trying to think of what else there is on the way. There we go. Building number 5. The Audi dealership. There's a lot of glass. That is building number 5. But anyway, once again, I am calling out Ceasar from Small Engine Velocity to do the 5 buildings on the way to work. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed my little motor vlog, something different in Fort Worth. But yeah, I'm just gonna ride a little longer. But yeah, leave a comment down below to give me ideas for challenges, and I will attempt or try to do them. Anything like random like that. Me and Chris from Get Life, we're talking about this, and like I'm just going to like pick random things to do. So yeah. I need to get new padding while I'm here for my helmet, because I've wore away this padding in this helmet. I think I got a size too big in my helmet, so like it was tight, kind of tight when I got the helmet at first, but now it's like sinking onto my face, and with me wearing sunglasses, it's like pressing down against the bridge of my nose. So yeah, it's kind of uncomfortable, and I always have to like readjust my helmet, and with the weight of the GoPro, it affects the weight of the GoPro. I know it's not much, but just a little bit, it sinks the helmet down. And then with new padding, it will help me out a little bit more. And I'm always have to readjust everything. Yeah, guys, anyway, please subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and I am actually pulling up into work. Fort Worth Tattoo Shop is where I work, and yeah, please like the video. That would be awesome, and comment down, don't forget to comment down below if you guys come up and think of like different challenges for me to do, because that would be cool. Just random videos, because I like doing that thing. So yeah. Anyway, I am going to sign off, guys, and y'all have a great day.